To move from one place to another. Go to a place, go home, go abroad, go upstairs. I will go to the park later. They are planning to go abroad for the summer vacation. To depart or leave. Go out, go away, go on vacation, go to work. I need to go out for a while. She decided to go away for the weekend. To function or work. Go well, go smoothly, go wrong, go bad. The meeting went well yesterday. Things didn't go as planned. To be in progress or continue. Go ahead, go on, go further, go deeper. You can go ahead with the project. Let's go on and discuss the next topic. To change state or condition. Go from, go into, go through, go up. The weather went from sunny to rainy quickly. He went into the room and sat down. To participate or engage in an activity. Go swimming, go hiking, go shopping, go dancing. They plan to go swimming this afternoon. Let's go hiking in the mountains next weekend. To express a future action or intention. Go to do something, go to see, go to work. I'm going to go to do my homework after dinner. She's about to go to see the doctor. To agree or support, go along with, go for, go with shashert. I don't go along with that idea. He decided to go for the blue color. Common collocations with go. Go for a walk, go to the store, go out for dinner, go shopping. Let's go for a walk after lunch. I need to go to the store to buy groceries. They decided to go out for dinner to celebrate. I love to go shopping on weekends.